We are headquartered out of San Francisco in US, and we have operations in US and India. We are into on-demand cleaning and laundry services. It's very easy to access us. You have to log on to our website www.cleanomatics.com or download our mobile app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and just press a few buttons and voila, we'll be at your doorstep. Very happy to service you. We provide the entire range of laundry, dry cleaning, and all kinds of household cleaning and sanitizing services. In the COVID world, our team took the pledge to fight this deadly pandemic and have been a very successful COVID warrior. We have launched one after the other innovation to save this earth from the onslaught of this deadly pandemic. First, we went ahead and launched a contactless, germ-free laundry procedure, and there, by depending on cutting-edge UVC technology and high temperature, we provide a delightful germ-free laundry experience. Next to launch was Cleano Nano 90D protection, which provides a guaranteed 90-day protection based on nanotechnology and cutting-edge chemical technology. After launching these two innovations, we are working on R&D for launching many more innovations in the near future.